These are going to be the elevators, one of the bank's elevators at the Guy Harvey's Outpost at the Tradewinds Resort in St. Pete Beach, Florida. PTL Centurion Fixtures. So one of them sounds like it's got a Chewbacca motor. Well, here it is. Let's get a cab view. Going down. There's up. And there's down the shaft. The other one sounds like it's got an epic motor. Let's go down to 1. They're glass, this one is. Here's the lobby. All right, we're gonna go up to 6. And let's listen to the motor and get a view. For those wondering, there are more elevators over there, but they're just like these, but not glass, making the more boring than these. Yeah. Going down?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. You can see. I'm gonna try to get the other one. All right, 6. Here's a look up the shaft. All right, we'll send this one up. Let's get the other car. These used to be general, but modded. By Retro Elevator, I believe, but not sure. Joe. Oh, it's here. I think this one's got an epic motor. Let's see. All right. Up. Let's get a cab view of this one. All right, let's not make it nudge. All right, let's go up to 6. And here we go. Let's listen to the motor.
And a dog. Look, Julia. You see the dog?
Yes. Ooh, it's got a Chewbacca motor. I'll take another ride on this one. Doors could use some help.
Yeah.
All right, let's listen to the motor. So let's be quiet as we go up this time. They're your PTL fixtures. Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
4.
Just interested in the elevator. All right, let's listen. Have a nice day.
You too.
think we'll just end on 6. Perhaps could this be Chewbacca's successor? I mean, the motors do sound good, even though they aren't quite as loud as Chewy was, unfortunately, but I guess I'll name this Chewbacca and Chewbacca Jr., I guess you can say. Well, anyways, that's gonna be it.